What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching. Nolasco here, and welcome to the Nike outlet. And as you can see, we got some good deals. Buy more and save more. Alright, starting off with the Mamba Focus. They are on sale for $74.99, and the Nike Metcon 4 still sitting here with the ugly pink colorway. Nike React Element 55 SE $69.99. Not bad though. Alright, next one is Nike NZ 720-818, and this one is a huge bubble. We got the Nike Zoom 2K. The nice color with a $49.99. Nike Air Max Fusion. What do you think on this one? Triple black. Air Max 270 AC. Retail $170. Triple white, and they're selling for $99. We got the Zoom Freak 1. Ooh, wow. What do you think? Look at this, we got an empty rack. Ooh. Okay, LeBron Soldier, and this one, and the clearance. Wow, nice color though. We got the Hirachi type, $49.99. We got here the Air Max Tailwind with the black and red, University red. Wow, nice color. And price is $69 with the additional 20 and 30. We got the Nike Air Max Impact, $49. What do you think? We got the Air Max 200 and white and black. We got the Jordan Pro Tour React. Nice one. We have here the Zoom Freak 1, and they're selling for $84.99. How about the KD 44? And we got some Kyrie Breed S2, a little bit high, $140. And another Kyrie 6, $84. Pass on this one. So the Air Force One LV82, I'm gonna take this one, and I could find more of this. Nike Zoom Windflow, $49.99. A good one for running shoes. And this is only what we got on this Nike outlet store. And start off with the Air Max Tailwind. So we have 4 of this one. The colorway is University Red, University Red. So most of these are size 8, and it's the only sizes left. So that means it is the only leftover we got on the store. And the colorway is not bad though. So black and red, not much going on, and that's it. With that, looking on how much we bought this one is $69.97. Then minus 20 and then minus 30% off, came down to somewhere $39 for this one. So not that bad for those. And looking into the comps right now, they are selling somewhere around 150, 120, somewhere over 100, and they're only 32 listed. So let's check out if they are being sold. Okay, there you go. They're being sold for 37 results. So that means it is really good to resell, considering this one is just the size 8. That is somewhere around almost tripling my money on those. So good finds on the Air Max Tailwind. Next one, I was so happy when I saw them because they are already on sale. But then it is the only sizes left, and is a leftover of size 12 and size 15. So price tag is 100. So additional 20 and then additional 30% off. So it will come down to $56 on this one, the Air Max Air Force One, wolf gray, and black. This wash is kind of a little bit transparent. Okay. Quality, not bad. And the toe box, like that one though. So let's see if they are how many listed. On comps, there are 41 listed, and they are selling some more than 100. Some selling some more. 98, making a best offer. So last sold is 100, 103, 104. So it's almost like every day or every other day has been sold on this one. And I'm still considering it is a good find, because even though it's size 12 and size 15, it's still a human size. So, and also Air Force One, a classic, still a good one that I could flip it because we got them for very cheap, 56, and then so we could sell it somewhere 100 or 105, depends on the size, especially the size 15. Okay, so what do you think on this pickup and the Nike outlet? And that being said, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you again. Nolasco here. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.